So is Rolanda still putting up with Anthony's slackness after all this? The lease is up. Let's see what's happening here. Let's go.
Coffee? We, you drink
Yeah.
coffee before you work out?
Yeah, I need to get started my day with coffee. You don't drink coffee?
Not really. But I mean, since you made an effort to give me this coffee, no, it's all good. I will drink it.
Okay.
Now, I don't know how much I'm gonna get through this workout. Just no coffee.
I'll make you up to that.
It might. It might.
Okay.
But no.
But she's an older woman, so we expect she older, so she need the coffee. That's exactly why she need the coffee, Anthony. Think about it.
Okay now. All right, I see you.
Stop.
I see you.
Listen.
Yeah.
Business.
Business.
All right, now before we
Business.
get started with this, at least
Release.
on the apartment, it's up for renewal, and I need to know what you're gonna do.
It's
your
been that
girl-
long already?
Yes, and I leased the apartment to you and not
Right.
Shayla.
Okay.
So she's not on the lease. We have to put her on there as a tenant or something. We got to figure something out. I did you a favor.
And I appreciate that.
Yeah.
I really do.
Okay. But what we gonna do, Anthony?
We
I don't
know
believe-
Amber and the divorce. I'm trying to protect as much as I can. I can't really put Shayla on the lease because then it'll look like which I am. I'm paying Shayla's rent. Why can't I just re-up the lease on the
I did you a
money?
favor.
I know exactly what's going on. What exactly is going on is Anthony, yet again, he's seeing exactly what I'm talking about. He knows that Rooster Nation is disgusting and he realizes why him can't put things in Shayla's name because he realizes what they'll actually do. And he must. I hope that he's taking his mark as to what has happened to Brody as a sign. What has happened to the Brody is a sign that should be taken, and I think that he's taking that sign.
No, don't put me in your mess.
You're not.
And Amber already knows. So what you got to do with anything? Don't put me in your mess.
Look, all right. I appreciate the favor, and I will work it out.
Yes.
I will.
I need you. Come on, Amber.
I got you.
And then we're supposed to go see this property after
Yeah.
we finish working out.
Yeah.
I don't need your personal stuff. I'm not trying to judge you, but your judgment right now, lately,
Is off. His judgment lately has been very, very off. I don't wrong you, Rolanda, from calling him out the way he needs to be called out.
It's my business. Ever gotten in the way? You know me. Don't
I
act
don't
like
know.
that.
I'm just waiting for something to go down. I don't know, but
Nothing is gonna go down.
It's interesting. It's very interesting that he doesn't want to just willy-nilly put Shayla's name on the lease. In other words, my theory and my assessment of Rooster Nation is correct. Because I've told y'all before now, Rooster Nation's main prerogative are them have a gold digging prerogative. And it's the same thing I talked about yesterday on the live and I mentioned and I talk about it. Regardless of whatever is going on, that's the main prerogative you're dealing with when you're talking about these people. And I think Anthony may have seen that. He may have seen glimpses of that to see how much, after all of the years that Angelina has spent with Brody, in 2 seconds, she kicked him out. And then when she kicked him out, she didn't want him to come back in there. And it's a whole pile of different things. She pile on every single solitary thing onto which she's ready just to walk away and move on with as much as she possibly can move on with. Plus, I guess he's seeing how much Shayla has taken over that apartment already without her name being on the lease. So all the time that she's talking, making it look like she owned this and that. And for those who were making the noise that she shouldn't be working, yes, keep making the noise now because her name not going on the lease. Her name is not going on the lease. And if your name is on the lease, you not own the place. Squatters' rights can be in effect. Now, I don't know the laws of Georgia. Maybe I have to go research the laws of Georgia as far as real estate is concerned. Right? But so when you live here in America, in California, you have squatters' rights that may exist. But I don't know how the squatters' rights law work in Georgia. But there you go. For those who love just cock up and depend on men. There you go. Come down. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll talk to y'all soon.